Hello, friends. Today I'm going to read you this book called Leaf Jumpers. Doesn't that sound like fun? The author of this book is Carol Gerber. She wrote the story. And the illustrator is Leslie Evans. She's the one that drew the pictures. Now I'm going to read you something that's in the back of the book first. Sometimes a book has extra information that's not really part of the story, but it helps you understand the story better. And so that's what this is, and I'm going to read you some of it. Leaves that turn bright colors in the autumn were once green during the spring and summer. During those seasons, the green leaves made food for the tree from water, air, and sunshine. The tree food made in the leaves is a kind of sugar that keeps the leaves alive and helps the tree grow. But in the fall, the weather turns colder. There's not enough sunshine and rain for the leaves to make food for the tree. Their job is done. And the tree stops growing. It has no further use for the leaves, and they begin to die. But then something wonderful happens. The leaves change colors. Out come the yellow and orange hues that during the spring and summer were covered by green. Other changes in leaves that make the red and brown colors come out too. The leaves containing the most stored food and turn the brightest colors before they fall to the ground. Isn't that interesting? That the green leaves, the green was covering up the other colors that you get to see in the fall. So let's read Leaf Jumpers. Look at these pretty leaves. It says, in memory of my sister who loved to rake leaves, and for Amelia and Charlie and the many happy autumn days. We watch the soft wind shake the trees. It lifts the leaves and sets them free. Released, they flutter through the air, drifting downward gracefully. We run to catch the falling leaves. We smell their smells and touch their veins, bright jewels from the crowns of trees. We trace their shapes and we say their names. Red maple's broad and pointed leaves flame bright and vivid as a match. The sugar maple's leaves are orange like pumpkins in a pumpkin patch. Stubby fingers, brown as dirt, reach for the slender white oak tree leaves. The basswood's glowing yellow leaves are shaped like hearts with little teeth. The birch leaf, oval as an egg, falls sunny side upon the ground. Willow leaves turn yellow-green and hang from limbs that all curve down. The ginkgo's wavy golden leaf is shaped just like a wavy fan. And the broad leaf of the sycamore is yellow with a coat of tan. We toss the bright leaves in the air, oranges, yellows, golds, and reds. We dance together as they fall, and leaf hats settle on our heads. That looks like fun. We clap with joy. We love the leaves. We rake a glowing golden heap. What do you think they're going to do? And then, holding hands, we jump into the pile of colors 3 feet deep. I guess that's why this book was called Leaf Jumpers. You see, leaf jumpers.